Hi guys, this video is to show you how to create a QR code, and I forget sometimes that I was really intimidated by this before I had ever done it before, because I promise you when you see how easy this is, you won't believe it. So I'm just going to go to Google and I'm going to search for QR code creator, and I'm just going to pick the first thing off the list, even though there's a lot of them. I like this one a lot. So up here, I can enter text, so you can actually send QR code and just have it linked to text. That's a great way to hide clues in a breakout. You can have it send a phone number, a text message, but I'm just going to send it to an address, and I can even do a short URL here quickly, but it automatically generated this QR code right over here. And now I can right click and save, or click the save button and save it anywhere on my computer that I want. And then I can put it in just like I would put any other picture in a document or a slideshow or anything else. That's all you have to do to create a QR code.